Hello, and welcome back to AI Ed, from Bits to Breakthroughs. I'm your host, Angela 2.0, one of the AI-generated avatars here at newbits.ai. Thank you for joining us in our AI Basics, the Fundamental series. In our last episode, we explored the mechanics of how AI works, covering data, algorithms, and training. Today, we're taking a closer look at how AI impacts our everyday lives through practical, real-world applications. From the devices we use daily to the services we rely on, AI is everywhere. By the end of this episode, you'll have a clearer understanding of how AI powers the apps, tools, and platforms we use regularly and how it's transforming industries across the globe. Let's dive in. Let's start with some examples of how AI has seamlessly integrated into the technologies we use every day. 1. Smart assistants. Virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant are powered by AI-driven natural language processing. These assistants can understand voice commands, answer questions, set reminders, and even control other smart devices in your home. When you ask your assistant to play a song, the AI behind the assistant processes your voice, interprets the command, and then searches its database to fulfill your request. 2. Email filters. Your inbox is another place where AI is working behind the scenes. AI models are used to filter spam emails and classify messages into categories such as promotions, social, and primary. These email filters continuously learn from user interactions. When you mark an email as spam, the AI learns and improves its filtering accuracy. 3. Recommendation systems. When you scroll through Netflix or YouTube, you're interacting with AI-powered recommendation systems. These systems analyze your viewing habits, compare them to other users, and suggest shows or videos you might like based on similar preferences. The same AI logic applies to platforms like Amazon for product recommendations or Spotify for music playlists. 4. Social media. AI plays a big role in Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. These platforms use AI to personalize your feed, showing you posts, ads, and suggestions based on your behavior and the types of content you interact with the most. From detecting inappropriate content to recommending friends or influencers to follow, AI is central to social media's personalized experience. 5. Navigation apps. Apps like Google Maps and Waze use AI to analyze real-time traffic data and predict the fastest routes to your destination. AI helps these navigation apps suggest alternate routes to avoid traffic, construction, or accidents, and it updates routes in real time as conditions change. Now, let's take a look at how AI is transforming industries and reshaping the way we work. 1. Healthcare. AI is making significant strides in healthcare, from diagnostics to treatment plans. For example, AI systems can analyze medical images, like X-rays and MRIs, to help doctors detect diseases earlier and more accurately. IBM Watson Health is one example of how AI assists healthcare professionals by offering insights based on vast amounts of medical data. 2. Finance. In the finance world, AI is used for everything from fraud detection to algorithmic trading. AI models can analyze spending patterns to flag suspicious transactions, helping banks prevent fraud in real time. Meanwhile, hedge funds and investment firms use AI algorithms to identify market trends and make high-frequency trades faster than any human could. 3. Retail. AI is revolutionizing the retail experience, both online and in stores. In online retail, AI-powered chatbots assist customers by answering questions and guiding them through the purchase process. In physical stores, AI is used in inventory management and even cashierless checkouts, like Amazon Go, where AI tracks what customers take from shelves and automatically charges them without the need for a traditional checkout process. 4. Manufacturing. AI and robotics are at the heart of modern manufacturing. AI-driven robots can work alongside human employees on factory floors, performing repetitive tasks with precision. Predictive maintenance powered by AI helps companies monitor equipment and predict when a machine might fail, preventing costly downtime. 5. Education. AI is also transforming the education sector through personalized learning platforms. AI-powered tools can analyze students' progress and create customized learning plans that adapt to their pace and abilities. For example, platforms like Duolingo use AI to tailor language lessons to each learner's strengths and weaknesses, creating a more effective and engaging learning experience. AI's impact on our everyday lives continues to grow as new technologies emerge and existing ones evolve. From the smart devices in our homes to the systems shaping industries like healthcare, finance, retail, manufacturing, and education, AI is driving innovation and improving the way we live and work. At newbits.ai, we keep a close eye on the latest developments in AI across industries and provide resources for you to explore these technologies. Whether you're interested in advanced AI solutions in healthcare, algorithmic trading in finance, chatbots in retail, or robotics in manufacturing, our AI Solutions Directory has everything you need to get started. In our next episode, we'll be talking about navigating the AI solutions marketplace on newbits.ai, where we'll guide you through how to explore and experiment with various AI models, tools, and platforms across industries. Thank you for joining me for this episode of AI Basics, the Fundamentals. And as always, stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, it's all about the bits, especially the new bits.